want to conceal a little bit and like kind of hide any imperfections, or if you have bags, which you're too young for this.
I have them.
You know,
it's from the students.
You're dramatic.
You.
Dramatic.
It's also because I don't sleep.
I'm not sure if everybody's makeup routine is different, but of course I do like to wash the face, all that stuff. But when it comes to applying the makeup, I do my eyebrows first.
Can we do some eyebrow stuff?
Yeah. I have a bunch in here. This is the eyebrow pomade, and this is what I use first. Yeah.
Tinted brow pomade.
Pomade.
Oh, just like a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Open it. Yeah. That's brow pomade.
I'm squinting so much.
And then I use this to like brush up, just to make them like, you know, this, get some.
Oh.
So like, you could do that. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see. Wait, are you in? You're in there. You just brush them up.
They're like screaming right now.
To make a nice shape that you want to follow, because sometimes your hair falls forward and you want it to be up. So yeah.
Oh!
But your eyebrows are really nice and full. Damn, everything is full. Yeah. And then the pomade goes on, and then maybe the eyeshadow / brow powder.
Brow powder. Browder. Why don't we call it that, dude? That's so obnoxious. Sorry.
You want to try it?
Browder?
No, that doesn't go in there. Give me that. Right there. Because it has some brushes in it. Also pens.
I was going to say, are all of those brushes? Because some of them look like pens. Okay.
This is what you use. Do you want to put it on?
Yeah, I do. But the
you have to follow the shape of your eyebrow.
This is...
No. You already... No. You need to follow the shape. Like, go from the bottom. No, it's curved like this.
All right, go
so
ahead.
You want to curve it like that. Like you're following the shape. So you start at the bottom.
Like you're outlining it?
Yeah. Outlining.
Okay.
Great word.
Mm-hmm.
Outlining it at the bottom and then the top.
Follow the
No. I mean, sort of.
Finish.
I was about to say, you have to... I
mean, sort of.
You sort of got it. I mean, you're learning. You're really thick. Nice. And at the top. I might need more at the top. You can kind of see the line a little bit now.
Yeah. Oh, God. Nose hair.
And then I'm going to go on the top. Because you have like a little space that could be filled in.
You mean my cut?
Is that what that is?
Yes,
and then...
it's aesthetic.
You see that?
I wasn't even recording that last one.
No way.
Mm-mm.
Oh, no.
So while you were gone, I poked myself in the eye 40 times, and I used something called concealer.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put eyeshadow on. I put green.
So whatever glitter you want to put on top, whatever, you have to press that in. So you know how you're doing the circles with the mat? You press that one.
Okay. And I can add anything.
Yep.
But I shouldn't.
Whatever color you want.
This one's so pretty. I'm gonna pick.
It is actually really pretty.
I like this one. This one's my favorite. I can't get this reverse thing. I'm gonna get this one.
It's blue.
It's blue.
It's like an ice blue.
That's what I am. Ice blue. What does that mean?
I don't know. You only want to do it on the lid, not the whole eyebrow.
Okay.
I mean, not the whole eye.
I don't understand how to get my lid out.
You don't understand how to open one eye is what I'm...
I know! Why is that so hard for me?
I don't know. You got it. You're patting. Yep. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You just need more.
More?
Yeah.
I have to go to the store after this, too. I'm not going to take this off.
They're going to be like, you look so great. Yeah, so you're getting it. You just definitely need to add more if you want it to show. That's good.
A little smoky. I don't know what that means.
I like it. Smoky eye is like just a darker eye.
Well, I got it down here. It's supposed to be up here, though, apparently.
You just needed a little more. I actually like this color combination. You did good. You did great. Okay. That should be enough. Put it, yeah. There you go. Just like that.
Okay.
To make it easier, like, you can just swoop it.
Ah.
Like that. Okay.
All right.
And then...
And just leave it like this.
No. Like, kind of blend it to make it match a little bit. There you go. Wow.
I feel like I did it.
You did. You really did.
I really did.
Yeah. You got it.
I'm just trying to go back over it because I'm trying to get rid of my bags.
Look at it. Wow. I am impressed. Look at how good your face looks.
Not this version.
It looks so smooth. Okay, you like that?
Mm-hmm.
See? Oh, it looks great.
I'm like literally about to just stop at my brother's house just to be like, hi, can I borrow your hammer, sweetie? Can I use your hammer for a moment? Just to show him this. He probably won't notice because he doesn't even notice his own girlfriends.
You're recording.
What's next?
It's a powder bronzer. Just to like give your cheeks some depth. And then...
I want my cheeks to have depth.
Yes.
I want to be cohesive.
There you go. And then you just dab that in and smile. And then you kind of put it right here and then you like work your way back. There you go. Just a little bit. But you kind of want to focus on your cheek when you're smiling. Yep.
Like that?
Yep. And then you kind of want a little bit more because I don't really see it. There you go. And then, your technique's already getting better.
Yay! That's growth. That's growth. In the moment. Did you hear that?
Oh, actually, no. You gotta come closer. Close your mouth and don't breathe. Okay. Do you feel it on your face? Okay, you can breathe now.
It messed me up a little bit.
Since your face looks wet, you kind of want to let it dry. But like, you can use something. I mean, we just have this envelope.
Oh, I thought you were going to pat my face with that. And I was like, what?
You just fan your face.
All right. Yeah. This is my first official makeup.
It looks good.
I look wild.
You look great.
Can't wait to interact with people in public and not explain this.
Put a lot. One thing that's really important is like not putting a lot of product. Like you start small and then you build up.
Okay.
So like when I told you with the pomade, like you kind of just want to like glide the pencil in. You don't want to like dig the pencil into the pomade. You just want to glide everything on your face. You don't want to just like be rough.
Okay.
So you just want to be soft and be gentle because you can start small and then build up. But if it's like packed on, you got to start all over.
Okay.
So just make sure you do that with all the products and everything.
All right. Well, thank you for teaching me. I look halfway decent. This is the definition of halfway decent.
You look great.
Over here and then over here. We're not going to talk about it. But yeah. All right.
Yes. we?
I feel new.
You look good. And there's a first one for everything. You did it. Like you accomplished it.
This might be a new thing for me.